Hello guys, in this video we'll study how to open NVS of ESP32 and we'll also study how to read and write it. So let's get started. First we'll take a on start event node. To open NVS we'll take a NVS open node. Make the flow in the NVS open properties. We'll configure our NVS node. We'll specify a namespace, Smowcode, and done. To write NVS, we'll take NVS write. We'll connect with a flow in the NVS write properties. We'll select our config. We'll specify the key, text, data type, string, hello, Smowcode. Done. To read the NVS, we'll take NVS read. We'll connect with the flow in the read. We'll select our config. We'll specify the key we want to read. Text. We'll select the data type of our text value. In the output, we'll get signed integer, unsigned integer, float, text data type will be stored in text variable. Click on done. Select display node to display the text. We'll pass our variable text. To close NVS, we'll select NVS close node. We'll connect with the flow and we'll save our flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. We'll go to our serial display. We'll select a port. Click enable or reset button of your microcontroller. See, and we got the output hello Smowcode.